Good morning from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in the Legian area of Bali. I'm on a street called Jalan Padma Utara, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is an accommodation called Rumah Santai Villas and Spa. Okay, so Rumah Santai Villas and Spa that's going to be featured in today's video is a nice collection of 6 one-bedroom villas set in a tropical garden setting with a beautiful shared swimming pool in the middle of all 6 villas. As regards for the location, you've got an absolutely fabulous street location on the very popular tourist street of Jalan Padma Utara, which is home to a great collection of restaurant, warung and shopping options. You're also not too far away from Legian Beach, making this an ideal choice for those of you that are looking to stay in the Legian area of Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you Rumah Santai Villas and Spa. Okay, so this is the main entrance here to what's going to be featured in today's video, Rumah Santai Villas and Spa. Just next door we have Bella Vista, big restaurant that. Have the Y Bar directly across the street here. Have Dome in the back here. There's going to be many restaurant, warung and shop options on the street here. So we'll take you inside and show you Rumah Villa Shanti. Okay, so just after making a short walk down, now we've arrived in the car parking area here for Rumah Santai Villas and Spa. Car parking for motorbikes. Not sure whether you'd fit a car here or not. Here's the name. And then here's the doorway. So just on the left hand side here, that's the main reception desk area, also a seating area for guests. And then just from a main reception desk area, there's 6 villas in. We have a Buddha statue, stone Buddha statue here. And then there's 6 villas in total all around this swimming pool area. Okay, so this is a 1-bedroom villa here at Rumah Santai Villas and Spa. This is room 101 that we're featuring in the video. There's 6 villas in total. It's sliding doors to enter the villa. So just outside we have a synthetic seating area there. Have a little pathway here that runs round and links all the villas together. Have lighting either side of the door, bamboo lighting. There's a look at your lighting. There's one on the other side also. This is 101. Let's take you around and show you inside. Okay, so here's the living room, dining room area. We'll come back to that in a moment. We'll start off in the bedroom. So just as we step foot inside the bedroom, we're greeted by, I think it's a queen size bed, bedside cabinets either side, bedside lighting either side. Have picture decoration up above the bed. Nice seating area here at the base of the bed. Beautiful high ceilings here. Also have a fan there and over the bed. I'll just take you and show you our bedside cabinet. There's a bedside cabinet on this side of the bed. Bedside lamp. All the light switches. It's a wooden bed, wooden headboard. Looks nice and comfortable, immaculately clean. Just over to the side there, we have 2 doors that open out into a little garden area. However, we'll start here and show you this first of all. Here's a bedside cabinet on the opposite side of the bed. Also have another lamp on this side. Here's a close-up on your picture painting decoration above the bed. Another view at your bed, immaculately clean. There's another angle on your bed. And then just turning around from a bed, that's our entrance to a bathroom in there. Up above there is our air conditioning. And then just opposite us, we have a cabinet with a flat screen TV on, international channels provided, Wi-Fi also provided. And just take you over, so there's a cabinet. It's a Samsung flat screen TV. Some PowerPoints up above there. And then just turning around and over on the back wall there, we have a double wardrobe. So it's sliding doors on the wardrobe. Just here we have a collection of shelving, safety deposit box. And then we've got the sliding doors. wooden rail, collection of metal hangers, wooden hangers, plastic hangers. Have a drawer in the base there. Okay, so we'll just take you out through these doors and show you this little area first of all. So it's a key to unlock the door. It's a sliding door, and then you just have a little small, like gardeny type area here. Okay, so coming from my bed and our doors out into a little garden now, we're going to take you through into the bathroom. So it's a wooden door, have our aircon remote on the wall there. And then here's our bathroom. So as soon as we step foot inside the bathroom, we're greeted by a wash basin, huge wooden frame mirror. We'll start in the base. We have a waste basket in the base there. Back up above, there's a wash basin. We'll start from left to right. We have a tissue box, power point in the back there, some light switches, some hand soap dispenser. There's a close-up on a wash basin. Have a tumbler in the back on a tray there. Have a wooden tray here featuring a hairdryer, 2 glasses. It's a wooden frame mirror, very nice. And then just from a wash basin and turning back to where we came into the bathroom, we have a metal towel rack rail with some beach towels. Another towel rail down below. Have a laundry basket in the base. This door here leads out into the living room, dining room area. And then just turning around and back again, just into the side there, we have a toilet. Also comes with bum wash. It's decoration and a tile behind the toilet. And just over in the back, we have a huge double shower. Outside the shower, it's open to the sky. So we have 2 handheld showers there. Have a corner shelf here with a soap dispenser, maybe featuring body wash and shampoo. Nice and clean in the base there. Okay, so coming from our bedroom now, so we're going to walk back towards the living room, dining room. So this is the door leading into the bathroom, also comes out into the lounge living room area. So we'll start from left to right. We'll give you a full span first of all. There's our entire living room, dining room area. We'll start on the left. So we have a big 4-seater wooden table and chairs here, glass inlay, soft cushion seating on the wooden chairs. Have some picture painting decoration up above there. Just in the back here, we have a good sized kitchen, also a refrigerator on the right there. We'll start from left to right. So we have a water dispenser here. It's going to save you quite a bit of money on water, that. We have a waste bin in the base there. Some drawers in the, some cupboards in the bottom there. Just here we have a collection of 3 drawers. There's all your utensils, some cups, Marks and Spencer's cups. Have a collection of dishes and plates in that one there. Just up on the top here we have a 2-ring gas hob, also a kettle, gas kettle, extractor fan up above there. 2 power points on the wall. There's a sink, some detergent in the back there, and then just up above here's a cabinet. Have a toaster also in there. Some decoration in that one. And we have some more cabinets here featuring a collection of glasses available in there. Coming down we have some more glasses, some containers, and then just here we have a refrigerator. Maybe it's a fridge freezer. Let's just open it and see. So it's a fridge freezer. And then just next door to a refrigerator we have a cabinet featuring a flat screen TV, picture painting decoration on the wall there. Up above we have a air conditioning unit, just pulling back out. We have high ceilings in here, also a fan. So we have a 2-seater sofa here at the back, soft cushions on the sofa. Also a lounging area for putting your feet and your legs. And then just in the back here we have a wooden cabinet, have a DVD player, international channels provided, Wi-Fi also provided, Samsung flat screen TV, telephone, Have some Buddha decoration in the corner here, tissue box. So the sofa, you can see, also folds down as a sofa bed. Okay, so there's the doors that we entered the villa, sliding wooden doors. So we also have some nets and some curtains, so it's going to block out all the light. Some lighting up above, and then now we'll take you out into the swimming pool area. Okay, so as soon as we step foot outside, our swimming pool is up in the middle. All the villas are all around to the side. There's 6 villas in total here. Beautiful gardens. Nice synthetic sun lounges, soft cushion tops with umbrellas. And then here's a swimming pool area. So just at this end we have steps down into the swimming pool. Beautiful tree feature there in the middle of the swimming pool or at the far end. Okay, so just down at the opposite side of the swimming pool, so we have like a dolphin feature with the tree in the middle there. It's nice and deep at this end. And all the rooms in the back there.